Hello friends, today we have to design 100 kVA transformer ka core diameter. This is our aim. Okay, so before designing core diameter, you have to know some basics, little bit about the core diameter. Okay, you know core, the transformer core is made up of laminations. They will not, it is not a solid core, it is putting in the laminations. Okay, if you see the top view, the lamination core will look like a circular shape. The core diameter, we call it as core diameter. Okay, like circular shape. We are designing the diameter of that core. How much core? If I take 3-phase transformer, we have 3 limbs. 1, 2, 3 limbs. One limb from top, if you see, it will look like completely like circular shape, like core diameter. Okay, that one we are learning to find the core diameter. For core diameter, for generally we'll talk. Then we'll talk about for 100 kVA. We already what are the things we designed. We'll substitute in these formulas and we'll get the core diameter. Okay, so this is general one. Okay, core diameter find out करने के लिए first you have to know about the EMF per turn. Okay, phase voltage per turns. EMF per turn. Okay, one turn has how much EMF? We already done actually EMF per turn. Okay, so formula is 4.44 into F into BM into gross area. This is a maximum flux density into gross area into 0.97 in 10 power of minus 4. This is the EMF per turn formula. Okay. F is called frequency here, which generally in India we will use 50 Hertz. Out of country we will use 60 Hertz, but in India it is 50 Hertz. And this is the maximum flux density, which you are already in specifications will be given maximum flux density like 1.5 they given, and gross area into 0.97. This is nothing but a stacking factor. 0.97 generally if we will put for all transformers, stacking factor. What is stacking factor? Stacking factor means it is the ratio of net area by gross area. Net area and gross area. Gross area means, what is the meaning of gross area? See, gross area means you know that one lamination to other lamination there is a carlite coating will be there, and some varnish and carlite coating will be there. Okay, one layer to other layer, so that eddy current, to reduce the eddy current losses. Okay, so this gross means with carlite coating the complete area, and net area means pure core without carlite coating, without varnish anything. The pure core is nothing but the net area. Okay, to get net area we have to multiply 0.97 into gross area, right? 0.97 into gross area. This will get net area. If you multiply this one, we will get a net area, core, pure core of the things. From that only we will derive the core diameter. Okay, so we got this formula. With the formula by heart karo. For design of core diameter, this formula is necessary. Okay, EMF per turn se this is a formula for EMF. Okay, now after from this we know EMF per turn, which we know already in design for 100 kVA transformer how much voltage per turn is there, and F is 50 Hertz, you know, standard one, and B value is also, you know, specifications will be given, and 0.97 10 power minus 4. If you calculate, we'll get gross area. After getting that gross core area, we have to take this formula. AG is K1 times of pi d square by 4. Okay, area is some constant into pi d square by 4. This is formula for area, pi r square, right? Pi d in terms of diameter mein pi d square 4. This area, gross area. The one which you are putting gross area, you will put here, and from this calculation we will get a diameter d value. Okay, and what is K1? K1, see, we have steps, right? We have those who are doing in transformer companies and this one, they know very well that they have a laminations of width will be different. One is bigger width, next one is smaller width, a smaller width. Total width will be the core will have like this, right? The core this is one width. Okay, next step will be lesser width. Next step will be lesser width. Like that, we go on keeping the core, right? In that way, that the K1 depends upon the constant, depends upon steps. How many steps you are taking? We are taking 6 steps, 7 steps, 8 steps, 9 steps. We want to know. Okay, so based on steps. So for 6 steps, K1 we should take as 0.92. This is a constant value we have to know for getting a good design. Okay, and 7 steps के लिए K value is 0.925, and 8 steps के लिए, you know, understand, right? Steps means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different width. Suppose 100 mm width you take. Next will be 95. Next will be 90. I said width will be taken. Right? That width based on steps. How many steps we took? You have to say. Suppose we are choosing 11 steps means 11 steps ka K1 we should take as 0.945. See, there is a 0.005 differences there. One. Okay. So if I substitute this K1 value corresponding to the steps and gross area, if then we can get the diameter of a core. The core ka diameter aane ke liye, this is the nice method for 100 kV transformer and 630 kV. This is the method we have to follow for core there. Okay. Now next we will see how to design 100 kV ka. We will put the actual values and we will try to find the core diameter. Now we are taking the 100 kV transformer ka. What are the things we know? And we are using this EMF per turn. From this only we are trying to get the core diameter. Okay, core diameter. So EMF per turn we already know, that is 3.289, which we designed before only, and 4.4. We are using this formula to find the gross area. After getting the gross area, I told you to take the value. This is the formula we have to use. Okay. So first try to find the gross area. So 4.44 into frequency is 50 Hertz. And maximum flux density specifications case accordingly we should be there. It is 1.6, and gross area into 0.927. This is stacking factor. If you multiply, you will get the net area. Okay, from this net area into 10 power minus 4. So if you put EMF per turn, we already solved at 3.289. If I substitute the value, we will get the value of gross area is 95.5 square centimeter. Will get units. You should be very careful. Okay, now. I told you in the previous section I told you that for 9 steps I told, right, overlapping hoga, एक steps में overlapping will be done core ka. For 9 steps ka K value is 0.935. we should take care of. Okay, gross area is equal to K1 times of pi d square by 4. K1 you substitute 0.935. this is a constant value based on steps. Okay, 9 steps. So 9 steps ke liye 0.935 based on the steps. The K value is given, right, in the previous class mein. So substituted. So I substituted K 0.935 and a gross area I substitute this one. If you calculate, you will get 11.403 centimeter. Approximately we will round off to 114 millimeter. This is the core diameter. Core diameter. Okay. So we got the diameter of the core. The top you see, if you see the core diameter like circular shape, the core diameter like this is a circle shape. From top you say. This is the diameter. Next we will see the steps. Each steps ka what is the area we have to find, how to find the area, and total thickness is how much. Everything we will know by the next class mein. Okay. So understand carefully. These all things you can search in net also. Like you can see the pictures how the laminations is going on, how to put a core one. Why we are putting the one overlapping to overlapping everything. Since I am also working in a transformer company, I work nearly some MNC company I am working now presently. But before I used to nearly 3-4 companies I worked. Okay, we saw physically that. So that's why if you see any pictures or any videos, any Google say images also, if you can see the laminations, how the laminations are done, how the losses should be calculated, everything will be slow by slow you'll understand. Okay, by practicing. If after doing 100 kVA, we'll go for 630 kVA like the transformer, and 5 MVA transformers also, disc winding, everything we'll see. Okay, thank you.